Welcome to T1 Academy. In our last sessions, we discussed about the permutations combinations. So in this session, and we also discussed some of the previous year's questions in the last session. We will continue the same thing in this session. We will solve some of the questions which were asked in the UPSC CSAT in this session. Okay, right. Now we will see the questions. First question. In a question paper, there are 5 questions to be attempted and answered to. Each question has 2 choices. Okay, there are 5 questions which need to be answered in a question paper. Those are question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4 and question 5. There are 5 questions. Okay, next, each question has 2 choices, true or false. Okay, each question have 2 choices, true or false. It is given that no 2 candidates have given the answer to the 5 questions in an identical sequence. That means no 2 candidates in the examination have given the same answer. Okay, for this to happen, the maximum number of candidates is, that means what? Indirectly the number of combinations. They are asking us the total number of combinations which can be made by using this 5 question. To answer the first question, how many chances I will have? 2 chances. It can be true or false. To answer the second question, how many chances I will have? 2 chances. To answer the third, 2. True or false. Fourth 2, fifth 2. So see here, question 1 in 2 chances and question 2 2 chances and question 3 2 chances and question 4 2 chances and question 5. So what I will get here overall? 2 to the power of 5 which is equal to 32. That means total in how many different ways? The answers, the maximum number of which we can accommodate here are 32. This is nothing but indirectly the number of ways of getting the answers, different answers, not the same answers in the pattern. Okay, next one. How many different 5-letter words with or without meaning can be constructed using the letters of the word Delhi, so that each word has to start with D and end with I? Okay, each word should start with D and end with I. Total how many letters are there for us in Delhi? 5 letters are there for us in the Delhi. Each letter should start with what? Each word should start with what? D. And each word should end with what? I. Okay, so actually we have 5 letters. Each letter should start with D and each letter should start with I. That means how many chances I will have here? 1 chance here and 1 chance here. How many chances will I have in the place of second place? 3 chances. Why? Because from these 3 letters I can put any 2 letters here. Now when it comes to this third position, how many chances I will have? 2 chances. When it comes to this fourth position, how many chance I will have? 1 chance. So overall what we will get here? 1 into, this one is for this first one, 3 into, 2 into, 1 into 1. So 3 2s are 6. So how many ways we can do that one? In 6 different ways. In 6 different ways we can do the problem. In 6 different ways we will get the words. Next one. For a sports meet, a winner's stand comprising 3 wooden blocks is in the following form. Okay, there is a sports meet and in that there is 3 blocks, first winner, second winner, third winner. Like this we will have the podium, winner's block. Okay, now there are 6 different colors available to choose from and each of the 3 wood blocks is to be painted such that no 2 of them have the same color. What does it mean indirectly? Means if we use one color for once, we cannot use it for next. This is nothing but without repetition, students. Understood? The same concept, if we apply this in terms of our letters and words, this question is nothing but without repetition of letters. We should solve the problem. So total how many different types of colors are available for us? 6 colors are available for us. Right? Now these 6 colors without repeating. Why? Because no 2 blocks should have the same color. No 2 blocks should have the same color. All the blocks should have the different colors. Now for the first block, out of the 6 colors, I can use any one, right? So for the first block, how many chances will I have here? 6 chances. For the first block, I will have 6 chances. For the second block, how many chances will I have here? See, out of 6 colors, already 1 color was filled in first block, right? So I will be left with more how many colors? 5 colors. The reason is I cannot use the same color once again. And now I will be left with how many chances for my second block? 5 chances. Okay, good, super. Comes to the third block. Already we used 2 colors. First block and my second block. So I will be left with more how many colors? 4 colors. So I will write the 4 here. This is indirectly the letters without repetition. That one and this one both are same. So now see here, so total what will be our answer? 6 into 5 into 4. 6 5s are 30, 34s are 120. So our answer here will become how much? Our answer here becomes 120. Understood, students? Next one. Using 22333 as a digits, how many distinct numbers greater than 30,000 can be formed? See, greater than 30,000 means what type of number it should be? A 5-digit number. Then only it becomes greater than 30,000. And the available digits are what for me? 2 2s and 3 3s. One thing is very clear, to get the answer greater than 30,000, definitely word digit should be what? Always 3. My first digit should be what? Always 3. There is no doubt in that. It should always start with 3 only. Then only it will satisfy my given condition. So out of 4 digits, 1 digit is locked. Assume that 3 is locked for my first position. Okay. Now I have how many positions? 4 positions and I have 4 digits. 4 positions and 4 digits. What usually we write? In how many different ways we can arrange them? 4 factorial ways, sir. Okay, 4 different and 4 factorial. But here there are repetition, right? Here there are repetition. Am I correct or not? In our last session, we have seen this type, especially in the permutation session, the first session of this permutation combinations, we discussed it very clearly. Whenever there is a repetition of any letters, what we will have? Usually we will have the denominators. So in this case also the same thing, the same logic applies here. Here 2 was 2 times, so 2 factorial, and 3 was repeated for 2 times, so 2 factorial. This is for 2 and this is for 3. Okay, so 4 factorial means what usually? 24. 2 factorial means 2 into 2. 2 2s are what for us? 4. So our answer here becomes 6. So our answer here becomes 6. So how many such numbers can be formed by using these digits? Means 6 numbers can be formed. 6 numbers can be formed. Understood, students? Whenever there is repetition of the letters, usually what we will have? We will have the denominators. We have already seen in our first video about these things. Okay, right? Next one. Now see here. If 2 boys and 2 girls are to be arranged in a row so that the girls are next to each other, how many possible arrangements are there? Okay. Now what they are telling us here is 2 boys and 2 girls are to be arranged in a row such that girls are next to each other. How many possible arrangements are there? Okay, right. Now we know already combining of letters. We have seen, right? Always the girls should come together means I will take that girls group as a single one. Okay, so that means what I will take here is boy 1, boy 2 and girls group I will take it as a single one. So 1, 2 and 3. Understood, students? We have solved this using the letters. Vowels come together, consonants come together. The same concept here also. Boy 1, boy 2 and girls I will club them as a single group. So 1, 2, 3. So they can be arranged in 3 factorial ways and the girls internally can be shuffled in 2 factorial ways. The girls internal can be shuffled in 2 factorial ways. So 3 factorial is 6 and 2 factorial is 2. So total in how many ways we can arrange them? We can arrange them in 12 different ways. We can arrange them in 12 different ways. Okay. Understood? Vowels come together. Similar to our vowels come together concept, students. Okay. Next one. There are 6 persons arranged in a row and the person shake hands with 3 of them so that he should not shake hand with 2 consecutive persons. In how many distinct possible handshakes can he make? Now see here, students. Total how many persons are there for me? 6 persons. 6 persons are there. Now tell me, another person, a new person should handshake with 3 persons such that the persons should not be consecutive to each other. Should not be consecutive to each other. In how many ways we can do that one? In how many ways we can do here? Means, please observe here, this type of questions usually with the help of formulas, it is very, very difficult to solve the problem. Why? Because to what we can say, align the formula to this structure is very difficult. Instead of that, we will go with the basic understanding. Okay, we should write the chances of these questions. We don't have any other choice. So, in this there are 6 persons arranged in a row. Now we need to see. See, in general process, we cannot solve this problem. So, we will use the standard procedure. Now, see here, how you can shake hand with them. How he can shake hand? Either if he shake hands with this person, he should not shake hand with him. He should shake hand with him. He should shake hand with him and at last he can avoid. So total 3 persons are done here. Or else what he can do? If he shake hands with this person and he neglects these 2 persons, if he shake hands this person and neglects this person, and if he can shake hand with the last person, right? Like this also, that thing is not happening. Or else what he can do? If he avoid this person and shake hands with these persons, this is also one possibility for me. And the other possibility for me is if he avoids the first 2 persons. Or else, sorry, if he avoids the first person and if he avoids this person, and okay, this is also not possible for him. Or else what he can do? Now please see here. If he shake hands with this person, if he doesn't shake hand with this person, okay, like this we will have the choice. And the last one, or else, wait, we will see. 3 chances are perfect. Now there will be one more chance, students. What will be the chance? If you observe carefully here, okay, if he handshakes with these 2 persons, okay, that is fine. Or else, if he handshakes with this person and neglects this person and handshakes with this person, definitely he should make an handshake, right? Once again, here or here. So 3 persons, overall 3 persons he should handshake here. So 1, 2, 3, and the other choice. What will be the other choice for us? Handshaking with this person, and this person. Already we have written that in the first case only. So there is no choice for that one. Now we will see from here this end. If he handshakes with this person, that is fine. Or else, now see here, students, he may handshake with the middle person, or either odd or even persons, that is fine. Or else, please see here, if he handshakes here, if he handshakes here, 2 persons are done. And if he handshakes here, right? Okay, this is chance for us. This is another chance for us. So total how many chances we have here? Total how many chances do we have here? Total 4 chances. Total 4 chances. So like this, he can do the handshake. Like this, he can do the handshake. Like this, he can do the handshake. Right? Next one. 4-digit numbers are to be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, and none of these 4 digits are repeated in any manner further. Okay, now see here, students, this type of questions are very lengthy. If you see this type of questions with conditions, avoid them. It will waste a lot of time for you people to solve this type of questions. Usually try to avoid them. If at the last, if you have some time to solve them, then come to this and solve it. Else, simply leave these questions. Okay, now see here, there are certain conditions. 4-digit numbers are to be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. For this, they given us some conditions here. Usually, 4-digit numbers. How many 4-digit numbers which we can form? Actually speaking, with these 4 digits, 24. Actually, why? Because 4 factorial ways. We can solve it in 4 factorials. But here we have certain conditions. What are those conditions? 1 is not immediately followed by 3. Next, 4 is not appear at the last place. 1 is not to appear at the first place. How many different? Okay, these are the 4 conditions they given for us. 1 is not immediately followed by 3. That is the another one. Okay, now see here, what we can do here is, students, either you can go with the third one or fourth one. We will try to write 4 is not appear at the last place and 1 is not appear at the first place, right? I will go with this one. If 1 is not appearing at the first place, means what are the chances I will have here? First of all, tell me. 1 should not be there at the first place. 1 should not be there at the first place. So how many chances? Either my number should start with 2, my number should start with 3, or my number should start with 4. Right? These are the 3 chances for me. I will not have the number starting with 1 at all. So with that, 3 cases are formed for me here. Case 1, case 2, and case 3. These are the 3 cases usually which we will have for us. Now see here, now we will try to fulfill the remaining 3 numbers using the cases. So what are the numbers I have left in this case? 1, 3 and 4. Okay, 1, 3 and 4. So what are the numbers I can write here? 2 and 3 should not be followed each other. Okay, so that means 3 should come here or here. Next, 1 is not to be immediately followed by 3. 1 is not to be immediately followed by 3. So that means what? I can write 2, 1, 3, 4. Why? Because 3 is following 1. But 1 is not following 3. This is one chance for me. Okay, good. Next, what is the other chance I can write? 1, 4 and 3. This is another chance for me. 1, 4 and 3. This is one more chance for me. And next, 4 should not be there, appear at the last place. So this chance is gone for me. The first chance is getting deleted. Or else what I can write? 1 or else 4, 1, 3. 4, 1, 3 I can write. Why? Because 3 can follow 1. So how many chances I have here for this? 2 chances. Okay. 2 chances I will have here. Next, if the number is starting with 3. So what are the numbers, digits available for me? 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. So the first and foremost thing, 2 and 3 should not be followed each other. But I can write as usual 1, 2 and 4. This is not possible. Why? Because 4 is at the units place. I am writing it for time being. Or else I can write as 2, 1, 2, 4, 1. This is one possibility I have. Or else I will have 1, 4, 2. So how many chances I will have here? 2 chances for me. I will have 2 chances here. I will write case 3 little bit down. Okay. Okay. When it comes to case 3, it should start with what? With 4. When it comes to case 3, it should start with what? 4. Or else now what it becomes for me? 3 and 2 should not be neighbors. So definitely 3 and 2 should be here and here. And one more thing, our 1 should not follow 3. So what I can write here? Please see here. So what you can write here, students? 4, 1, 3, 2. Can I write this one? Not immediately following each other. It should not follow each other. So this is not possible for me. Next, what I can write? 4, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3. 4, 1, 3. Why? Because 1 is not immediately followed by 3 means this is the only chance I will have in this case. This is the only chance I will have in this case. Is there any other choice here or here? No, we don't have any other choice. So total 5 choices we got. So our answer here is none. Our answer here is none. Okay, like this type of questions will take definitely some time, students, to solve. Did we skip any other choices here or here? Did we skip anything here? Think not count this one here. 3 should not be followed by 1, right? 1 is not immediately followed by 3. So this is not the case for us. This case is gone. What is the other choice which we can make here? So here also there is only one chance, students. One chance. Why? Because I cannot consider this case also. Only 3, 2, 4, 1 I can take. So total how many I have here? Only 4 chances, not 5. 4 chances. So our answer here will become then also none only. Then also none. Okay? Right. Next one. The digits 1 to 9 are arranged in 3 rows in such a way that each row contains 3 digits and the numbers formed in the second row is twice the number formed in the first row and the number formed in the third row is thrice the number formed in the first row. Repetition of digits is not allowed. If only 3 of the 4 digits 2, 3, 7, 9 are allowed to use in the first row, how many such combinations are possible to be arranged in 3 rows? That is the question they given for us. So see here, students, what actually the question here is, there are 3 rows. Okay, each row have 3 numbers or else 3 digits. Each row have 3 numbers which is formed by 3 digits. And we should use the digits from what? 1 to 9. 1 to 9. 1 to 9 digits should be used. And very clearly they are telling that the second row is 2 times of the first row. And the third row is 3 times of the first row. Second row is 2 times of the first row and the third row is 3 times of the first row. And they clearly said that the first row, what are the digits should be used in first row? Either 2, 3, 7 and 9. These are the digits which we need to use in the first row. Now, This question also will take a lot of time. Don't waste your time in solving these type of questions usually. See here, if I take any one of these 3 in the first row, usually total number of chances are how many I will get here? 4p3. In the first row, I can take only those 4 digits, right? So how many numbers I can form in the first row actually speaking? 24. So usually you need to cross verify 24 numbers. But it will waste a lot of time for you students. Instead of that, we will try to do some trial and error method. Now I will take first of all 2, 3 and 7. Okay, if I have taken in the same order 2, 3, 7. So my second row should be what? A multiple of 2 times of my first row. So 2 7s are 14. 1 will go as a carry. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, what it becomes? 7. Already 7 is there. So once again I cannot use 7. So 237 is not my answer. This is gone. We cannot use that one. Okay. What happened? I got the same number like this. Next, similarly, if you check one more thing like this, if you check, you will be getting an answer as 273. One possibility is 273. We will try to check this 273, whether it is possible or not. One of the answers is 273, students. Okay, 273. Now I will multiply it with 2. 2 3s are 6. Okay, 2 7s are what I will get? 2 7s are 14. 1 will go as carry and I will be left with 4 here. Next, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, that I will get 5. All are different letters, different digits, happy. Now 3 times of this one, 3 3s are 9. Next 3 7s are 21. Okay, I will get 1 here and 2 will go as a carry. Okay, 3 2s are 8, 8 plus 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2, it will become what? 8. So now please see here, all the digits are different. All the digits are different. So one of the chances is what for me? 273. 273. And similarly, if you check, I think 327 or 373 will get one more choice like this. Okay, 327 or 373, we will have one more opportunity in the similar manner and you will get a total number of chances 2. So this question is very, very difficult. Don't try to attempt this question in the examination. It will waste a lot of time, students. Okay, you should also know which question you need to attempt, question you need to exempt. Already we solved this question for multiple times. Because of that reason, I have an idea that there are 2 choices. But in the examination, if you start trying to do this problem, definitely it will take a minimum of half an hour. A minimum of half an hour it will take and it will waste your time a lot. So don't attempt this type of questions in the examination. It is waste of time. Next problem. In how many 5-digit prime numbers can be obtained by using digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 without repetition of digits? This is the question. Okay. How many 5-digit prime numbers can be obtained by using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4? See here, students, first and foremost thing, whenever you see these type of questions, what it should form? A prime number, right? Prime number. Generally try to solve it, whether we are getting a prime number or not. First and foremost thing, the given digits are for us 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And we need to use all the 5. Why? Because we are using a 5-digit number. Okay. And without repetition. They clearly mentioned without repetition. So all the digits should be used to form the number. So when I add these digits, first of all, whenever you see this type of questions, please add it first. What you are getting? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. 15. Now the digit sum is 15. Any numbers whose digit sum is 15, definitely it will be divisible by 3, right? Whatever may be the number formed by using these 5 digits, definitely it will be divisible by what? Definitely it will be divisible by 3. Definitely it will be divisible by 3. So that means, can a prime number be formed by using these 5 digits? Can a prime number be formed by using these 5 digits? No. So we will get our answer as 0. Whenever you see these type of questions, students, first of all, what to do is solve it. Add the digits. If you get any definitely there is a chance of getting the sum either divisible by 3 or the sum divisible by 9. If it is done, then it is clear. We can clearly say that there are no possible prime numbers in these cases. Understood? And similarly, students, I want to tell you one more thing. So before finishing this, I want to discuss one thing with you people, especially the circular arrangement. What will happen with the circular arrangement is, see, if there is a linear arrangement, Till now, all the problems which we have solved, what we have seen, only about the linear arrangement, right? If there is a circular arrangement, if n persons are arranged in circular manner, the number of ways it can be done is equal to n minus 1 factorial. It can be done in n minus 1 factorial. Okay, we can arrange n number of persons in a circle manner in n minus 1 factorial. We will see with a simple example, students. For example, I have some 4 people, A, B, C, D. In how many ways I can arrange them? Means, please see here, if I start taking A here, B here, C here and D here. This is one type of arrangement I can do. The next one is, I will write here itself A, C, B, D. I can do this one. See here, students, what happens with this circular one is, if it is a linear one, we directly used to say n factorial ways. But in a circular manner, we will take it as n minus 1. The reason is, in a circular manner, we will not have a particular start or end. See here, linear arrangement, if I want to arrange 4 people, I can say this is first position, this is second position, this is third position and this is fourth position. And I will say that for the first position I will have 4 chances, second 3, third 2 and fourth 1, and I will say that 4 factorial directly. But in the case of circular arrangement, tell me where it will be start and where it is ending. Usually there will not be any start or end in a circular arrangement. If you want to consider, you can take A as the first person, or you can also consider B as the first person, you can consider C as first person, or you can consider D as first person. Because of that reason, you will get here n minus 1. See here, here I got 2 arrangements. Okay, good, superb. Next, in a similar manner, I will need to draw one more circle here, students. Okay. When I draw one more circle, so once again 4 people, or else what I can arrange? I can also arrange A, D, C, B. I can make this arrangement as one arrangement, or else A, D, B, C. I can take one more arrangement, or else what is the other arrangement I can make? A. I am considering A as a fixed point now. A, B, D, C. This is one more arrangement, or what I can take here? A opposite to this one. What I can take? A, C, D, B. I can take one more arrangement. Like this, total how many chances I can arrange these 4 people means in 6 different ways. These are the chances. So, usually in circular arrangement, we can arrange them in n minus 1 factorial. Remember this one. If it is a linear arrangement, there is no problem. You can directly take that we can arrange them in n factorial ways. But if the question is related to circular arrangement, then we can take that as n minus 1 factorial. Remember this one carefully, students. And similarly, if a question is based on circular arrangement, for example, we will take a random example, students. There are 6 girls and 6 boys in a class. They should be arranged in a circular manner such that no 2 girls sit together. This is the condition for me. So, there are 6 girls and 6 boys in a class. I need to arrange them such that no 2 girls sit together in the class. So, what first I need to do in this case? 6 girls and 6 boys means the first and foremost thing what I need to do? I need to arrange the 6 boys first. Boy 1, boy 2, boy 3, boy 4, boy 5, boy 6. I need to arrange all the 6 boys. So, to arrange these 6 boys, so 6 people in a circle, in how many ways I can arrange them? 6 minus 1 factorial. Just now I told you how you will arrange the n people in a circle means n minus 1 factorial. That means I can arrange the boys in how many ways? 5 factorial ways. These are boys. Okay, good, superb, sir. Next, when it comes to girls, see, no 2 girls sitting together means what I need to do? I need to put definitely girls here, right? I need to place girl 1 here, girl 2, girl 3, girl 4, girl 5 and girl 6. So in these gaps only I can place the girls, right? So now tell me how many gaps are there for me? 6 gaps are there, and then I need to place all the 6 girls in how many ways I can do here? 6p6. I can arrange the girls in 6p6, or directly I can take it as 6 factorial. So my answer here will become what? 5 factorial into 6 factorial. 5 factorial into 6 factorial. Remember this one condition carefully, students. Don't think that already boys, okay, 5 factorial, 6 boys are there, 5 factorial ways. There itself our circular one is gone. And now we will come to once again our basics. Back to our basics. Now I need to arrange the 6 girls in that 6 gaps. In how many ways I can do? 6p6 ways. Or else directly you can say 6 factorial ways. 6 factorial ways. So that is the reason our answer here becomes 5 factorial into 6 factorial. Please be careful with the circular arrangement, students. In linear arrangement, if 4 people are there, we can arrange them in 4 factorial ways. In circular arrangement, if 4 people are there, our answer will become 4 minus 1, 3 factorial. Understood? This concept is very, very important. Apart from this, there is very less scope to ask a question from the circular arrangement. Okay, right? These are the things which you need to know in the permutations and combinations, students. We have seen the permutations and combinations in our 2 videos, and one video is dedicated for our previous year's questions. So please go and watch all the videos so that you will get a clear idea about these permutations and combinations. And the continuation for these permutations and combinations is probability. We will see in our next session. Okay, thank you very much.